Hi, welcome to DoPT. This is about central government employee news. Today news is about new pension scheme. Everyone knows that central government employees joined after 1/1/2004 has been contributed under NPS, that is new pension scheme. Nowadays some sources are saying that NPS may be scrapped and the government may reintroduce the old defined benefit pension system. But there is no proposal to replace the NPS with old pension scheme in respect of central government employees recruited on or after 1/1/2004. Hence, the new recruited employees shall continue only in the NPS and government has no proposal to introduce the old pension scheme. We hope the news is very useful. Thank you.